Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can duplicate sequence in Premiere Pro. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Premiere Pro. So here you can see that once you open, you simply need to click the right mouse cursor here. And here you can see different options. So you simply need to come here and click on reveal sequence in project. So now you can see that this is the sequence. Now you need to click the right mouse cursor. And here you can see different options. Here you simply need to click on duplicate, and now you can see that a copy is created. So you simply need to click here. Here you can see copy 01, and you can change name. So I'm going to name it copy sequence. So you can change name according to your choice. Okay, and once you click here, you can see that sequence will be open, and now you can see that you have two sequence. So this is the process how you can duplicate sequence in Premiere Pro. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.